Lab work number 5. Using of HTML formatting tag in a web page. Theory. Various formatting tags are used to make the text on web pages look good. Text can be shown in bold, underlined, italicized, and other styles by using formatting tags. Necessary tools. 1. Hardware, a computer desktop or a laptop. 2. Software, operating system. Windows 10 and editing software. Notepad++. 3. Browsing software, Google Chrome. Primary works of the experiment. 1. To turn on the main electric line. 2. To turn on the power switch of the CPU. 3. To ensure Notepad++ is installed. Procedure. 1. To turn on the computer and come to the desktop. 2. Double clicks on the Notepad++ icon from the desktop. 3. The Notepad++ editor will be launched. 4. The necessary tags for creating web pages are typed in Notepad++. Explanation of tags. Use to express text in bold. Use to express text in underlined form. Use to express text in italic form. Drag a dot in middle of text to indicate that it has been deleted. Tags are used to break any part of in the middle of the line. Use to draw horizontal line. Saving of file. 1. Click on the Save icon from the toolbar. 2. From the Save, as dialog box type Web Page zaden.html in the File Name section and click on the Save button. The created web page will be saved as webpagezen. Display result. 1. From the Notepad++ Editor's Run option, select the Start option in the Google Chrome browser. 2. The section typed on the body is shown on the web page when the Google Chrome browser is opened. 3. A web page, webpagezn.html, is produced if the aforementioned actions are completed with Notepad++. Display result. Thank you.